What happens when a person hears a loud noise? When a human hears a loud sound, several physiological and psychological responses can occur. Auditory response: the sound waves enter the ear and vibrate the eardrum, which then transmits these vibrations through the ossicle small bones in the middle ear to the cochlea in the inner ear. If the sound is loud enough, it can cause discomfort or pain. Hearing damage: prolonged exposure to loud sounds, typically above 85 decibels, can lead to hearing damage or loss. This can manifest as temporary threshold shift, temporary hearing loss, or permanent damage to the hair cells in the cochlea. In summary, loud sounds can have a range of effects on the human body and mind, from immediate physical reactions to potential long-term consequences for hearing health. So, click the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications to get our latest videos. Wish you have a great day. Thank you.